So a couple days ago, I released a video showing you guys that Google is coming out with a brand new Chromecast, and this one is called Chromecast HD. Now, while the name HD indicates that it does not support 4K, and it did have some downgrades, which we'll cover briefly here in a little bit, what a lot of people were asking is, what is the price of this new device? So we finally got some information on that, so we're going to touch on that a little bit here in this video. Also, this video is going to be short. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So as I said in the intro, it's been a long time. We've been waiting for a new Chromecast, and we finally have some information that a new Chromecast is on the way. However, this is not the Chromecast that we expected. So this is going to be called the Chromecast HD. Apparently will ship with Google TV 12. CPU is going to be downgraded, and the RAM is going to be downgraded as well. So let me scroll down and give you some more information about what we're expecting. So this new Chromecast is going to come with an M-Logic S805X2 chipset. Now, this is going to add a couple features, but for the most part, it's going to be a downgrade from the previous Chromecast, which had the S905X3 processor. In addition, it did come with lesser RAM, 1.5 gig, and this is going to give us about a 25% drop in performance. And as concerning as that is, my main concern is the fact that this new Chromecast does not have 4K support, and we are in 2022. As I said in my previous video, a lot can be done to tweak devices to perform with limited resources. However, one thing I cannot look past is the fact that 4K support is not available. And what they're doing is marking this as a lower end device for anyone who's strapped for cash and cannot afford the 4K model. So having said that, there's a couple reasons why they did this. The main reason, of course, is to compete with your Amazon devices, your Firestick. We know that Firestick does have a regular Firestick, which is the HD version or 1080p. They also have the light version. They also have the 4K and the 4K Max. So Amazon does have a wider variety of devices. And me, for the most part, I stick to the 4K devices even with that. Even if I pick up the 1080p Fire Sticks, is really just to review them. But really, I wouldn't put that in my living room. And I feel like a lot of people feel the same way. So having said that, how much would you pay for the new Chromecast with a downgraded processor, downgraded RAM, 1080p output? Would you pay $20, $30, $35? So I'll go ahead and put that poll in the community section where you can go ahead and vote. But this article from Yahoo reveals it in the title, and the new Chromecast reportedly will cost $30. So that's $30 US. In the UK, it's going to be around 36 pounds. And in Australia, it's going to be about 59. And don't have the conversion here for Canada, but just think maybe around $36 or so, just estimating. So that's how much a new Chromecast is going to cost. I myself will really only get the device to review it. Maybe I'll do a giveaway, but not getting what Google is doing. If I was advising the developers, the manufacturer, I would love to see two new Chromecasts. Bring out another 4K model. Then you can bring out a lower tier for those folks who really don't care about the 4K, who don't care about the performance. They just want something that they can stream that does have Google TV. So as always, like I said, go ahead and check the community section. I'll leave a poll there. Let me know what you guys think of the new price of Chromecast HD, which is set to be released pretty soon. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.